Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we're on the Holland America New Amsterdam. We're on deck 10, or the panorama deck. Please note that before you get on the ship, when you're looking at deck plans, it doesn't have the numbers. It's only got the deck names. But the panorama deck is deck 10. We're all the way at the front, which is a cabin deck. So we're going to show you where your cabins are in relationship here to these elevators and stairs, as well as crew doors. And if you've never seen us do one of these videos before, I can't turn the camera for you to see every door number or door, right? If I did, well, you get seasick, ironically. So I'm going to call out the door numbers and use my fingers to point. Now, do us a huge favor. When you see and or hear your door called, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the New Amsterdam. All right, that being said, let's get going. There's crew only there. As you were seeing, 10, 027, 025, 023. Crew door, 21, crew door, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Crossing over. Crew door. 10-002, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, crew door, 22, crew door, 24, 26, 28, which is right across from the access to the elevators and stairs here at the front of the ship, 30, 32, 34, crew door, 36, crew door, 38, P014. I don't know what that means really. 42 and 40, 44 and 46. Now there is a ramp here, so you do have access to the outside here of deck 10, but we're gonna cross over to the cabins on the other side here. Now this one has got an automatic door. That one was not automatic, and this has no ramp, okay? 45, 43, 41 and 39, 37 and P009, 35, crew door, 33, 31, 29, 27, and that is it. We've gone 365 degrees, 360 degrees, full trip here on the cabin area of the panorama deck here on deck 10. Don't forget to leave a comment below of when you saw your cabin, and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful New Amsterdam. Until we see you on another deck, another ship, be safe. Ciao!